Okay, so if you have a new car and it has Suede or Alcantara, what is the best way for you to maintain it and make it last a longer, making it look its best? So the main thing about Suede and Alcantara, as you see a lot of the Porsches or sports cars, they have the Suede on the steering wheel, especially here in the bolstering of the seats. You see it here in the middle. And the armrest, you can see this one also has it. So the most important thing when it comes to Suede and Alcantara is regular maintenance. And it can be very simple or more difficult depending on the frequency of how you maintain it. So for example, you're gonna need a brush like this. These type of brushes are specific for these applications. And to help you understand it is, if you think about it, for example, here this fiber, the Suede Alcantara is form of a microfiber, and basically when it's new it's nice and the fibers are standing up. But as you can tell, if I sit on the seat, those fibers are going to be matted down. Same thing here with the armrest. I'm going to put my hands and the fibers are going to go down, and over time this is going to continue the pressure of my body. And when they starts becoming a problem is the sweat from your body, the oils from your fingers, the dirt from your clothes, all those things mixed with sweat, they get into the Suede Alcantara, they make it dirty. And sometimes if you don't maintain it at all, it becomes permanent and then the fibers cannot be stood up anymore. And that's the trick that to longevity is you want to continue to go against the natural way that these fibers are going to be folded in because of the usage. For example, these are going to fold it in. So if you take your brush regular once a day or so, again, it depends really on application or how much you use it and how much you drive and all that. But all you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and you're going to brush the Alcantara or Suede opposite of the way that they're going to be matted down. So for here, it's going to go matted down. I'm going to go up. So it's just a matter of, if you do this regularly, then that's all you're gonna have to do. Same thing with the seat. So for the seat, as you can see, if you can close up the things where it's seated. So now I'm gonna go ahead and brush them. You can see how it looks different, the pattern, the opposite way. See that? It's opposite. So I'm gonna go ahead and now brush it the opposite way. I want to stand the fibers up essentially. Here in this part too, you can see that? The difference? One was matted down, up. So I want to do this. Now if you do this regularly, this is kind of here you can see an armrest. I'm going to do an example too. You're just going to go against it. So this is the majority of the work you have to do if you're doing it continually. Now over time, couple months, a year, depending on your usage again and how dirty they get, you are going to need to clean it. So you're going to take a mild cleaner and you're just gonna, this one's great because it foams up really nice. So you're gonna take a little foam and you're just gonna go ahead and apply it so you can go ahead and clean it. So the cleaner is gonna go ahead and help you get all that grime, the body oils, just the different dirt to clean them off. And then you're gonna take a clean microfiber towel and you're gonna mop it up. You wanna make it dry again. You wanna dry it and remove any of the dirt or grime that was up. And after you do that, again, final step is to brush it against the way that it would normally go when you sit on it. So that's how you would do it in most situations. You can also, for example, spray some of the foam if you're gonna do the steering wheel, and go ahead and just kind of go ahead and lather it in, putting medium pressure, not too much, also not too little. You clean it up, make sure you get all the whatever dirt or grime. You switch your microfiber to the clean, dry side, mop it up, And lastly, as I mentioned, sand the fibers. You don't want to wet it. You don't want to have it too wet, because this over time is just not good. And that's why this little pump foamer works really great. Now I'm going to have links to both of these products and the microfibers if you want in the description down below. That way, if you need to find where you can get these specific ones from Color Lock or Adams, essentially the same one, you can do it, and you can maintain your Suede and Alcantara for a very long time, looking its best without any damage. So again, the key is regular maintenance. So I hope this helps you. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them down in the comment section, and I hope you have a great day.